Have you ever pulled up to a gas station and realized you weren't quite sure how to pump gas? Perhaps you are a new driver? Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here to help you step by step on how to confidently fill your tank efficiently. Before you leave your house, sit in the driver's seat and check your fuel gauge. See the little gas pump icon? Notice the tiny arrow next to it. The arrow points to the side of the car where your gas cap is located. If it points to the left, the gas cap is on the driver's side. If it points to the right, it is on the passenger side. Super simple, right? And now you'll always know which way to pull up at the pump. Before heading out, use Google Maps, Apple Maps, or your favorite navigation app to find a nearby station. This helps you plan your route and avoid running out of gas. Choose a well-lit and safe location if this is at night. When you arrive, pull up so the pump hose can easily reach your gas cap. Make sure your car is in park, your parking brake is engaged, and the engine is completely off. This keeps you and others safe while fueling. You can either pay inside or directly at the pump. If paying inside, tell the clerk, "Can I get amount at pump number?" For example, "Can I get $15 at pump 4? Then pay with cash or card. If paying at the pump, insert your debit or credit card and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to enter your zip code for verification. Most cars have a lever near the driver's seat, either on the floor or beside it. If yours doesn't, gently press on the gas door to pop it open. Remove the gas cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Some cars have a cap holder inside the door to keep it out of the way. Make sure to keep track of your cap. You do not want to lose it. I promise you that. Now it's time to fuel up your car. Look at your octane number and press on it. Before we even get into that, you're probably wondering, what do these numbers even mean? Those are your octane numbers. Typically in the gas station, it will be regular, which is 87, plus or ultra or something along those lines are usually 89, and then premium is typically 93. Now for 87, for the example, I'm gonna use 87, usually for normal cars and for most engines. Now for 89, the mid grades, the plus, the ultra, whatever that is, that's basically oil that's slightly higher quality. Some cars are recommended to use that, but not required. You might get smoother performance, but most drivers won't notice the difference. Now for the 93s, or even in some cases 91s, those are for luxury cars, premium grade cars. Those are it's definitely gonna be a major difference from 87 to 93. You're still probably wondering, okay, now that I know, which one does my car take? Well, to do this, you open your gas door. Then once you do that, it'll be right there. Now, let's continue on with the process. Lift the nozzle and place it firmly into your gas tank. Make sure it is seated all the way in so no fuel splashes out. Squeeze the handle to start fueling. The pump will run until you release the handle or if the tank is full. Now take it easy while you're fueling. The pump will click when your tank is full. You do not need to top it off. Adding extra fuel after the click can damage the vapor system in your car. Trust me, I tried it. Please do not do that. Carefully remove the nozzle and return it to the pump. Replace your gas cap by twisting it clockwise until it clicks. A tight seal prevents fuel vapors from escaping and keeps your check engine light from turning on. Close your gas door securely. Double check that everything is in place before getting back in your car. Voila, just like that, you're done. Start your car, check your fuel gauge, and confirm the tank is filled properly, and safely exit the station. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all liked the video. This was a school project, as you can see from the beginning of the video. But I just wanted to know, do you want to see more videos? I have a few more that I recorded for a project, for a film class. And if y'all like seeing me outside of gaming in terms of this, or maybe a few more videos, then let me know down in the comments and I'll do it. I really just need one person. How about this? Put down green apple. Just put down a green apple in the comments or something. Then I'll know. So if you made it to the end of it, thank you. And God bless at YouTube. Love y'all.